Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to zoom in and out in Opera. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out of Opera. So to zoom in Opera, first thing you need to open up your Opera. Once your Opera is opened up, click on Control. Hold the Control button, then use the scroll mouse. On your mouse, the scroll thing, the middle mouse. There you go. Just scroll it. And if you want to zoom out, just scroll down. And while holding the Control key in your keyboard. And then another way to do it if you don't have a mouse is by clicking control, then a plus sign. Click on the plus sign on your keyboard, hold the control again, and then click the plus sign. And then after that, if you want to zoom out, click the minus sign. There you go. And another way to do it is by just clicking right here. There you go. And then clicking it, this one for zoom out, and the plus icon for the zoom in. So there you go, guys. So I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, you can make the zoom in, the zoom or the zoom out a default by clicking right here and going down here, then scrolling down, and right here, page zoom. Once you make this into, for example, let's make it for 150. Whenever you're gonna open up your Opera, it will be on 150 zoom, or you can either move it to 100. So whenever you open the Opera, it will be always on 100 zoom. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.